Capturing the beauty of Golkonda Fort with my iPhone 12 mini can be a rewarding experience. Here are some tips to help you get the best shots. Keep your lens clean. A clean lens ensures clear and sharp photos. Wipe your lens with a soft, lint-free cloth before you start shooting. High Dynamic Range (HDR) mode helps balance the light and dark areas in your photos, which is perfect for capturing the fort's intricate details against the bright sky. Lock focus and exposure. Tap and hold on to the screen to lock focus and exposure. This ensures that your subject remains sharp and well lit, even if you move the camera slightly. Experiment with angles. Try different angles and perspectives to capture the fort's grandeur. Low angles can make the fort look more imposing, while high angles can provide a unique structure overview. Use the grid. Turn on the grid in your camera settings to help with composition. The rule of thirds can make your photos more balanced and visually appealing. Take advantage of natural light. Early morning or late afternoon light can add a warm glow to your photos. Avoid the harsh midday sun, which can create strong shadows and highlights. Use 4K resolution settings. Go to Settings, Camera. Record video and select 4K at 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, or 60 frames per second. Higher resolution provides more detail and flexibility in post-production. Use slow motion to capture fast-moving subjects in detail. You can choose between 120 frames per second at 1080p or 240 frames per second at 720p. Utilize burst mode. For action shots or capturing multiple angles quickly, use burst mode by holding down the shutter button. This is great for getting the perfect shot of moving subjects or changing light conditions. Use the ultra-wide lens, wide shots. The ultra-wide lens is great for capturing expansive scenes and unique perspectives. However, switch to the main camera in low light for better quality. Use Cinematic Mode Depth Effect. Cinematic mode allows you to create a depth of field effect, making your subject stand out against a blurred background. This is great for adding a professional touch. Real-time adjustments. You can adjust the focus and depth of field in real time while recording, giving you greater control over the final look of your video. Focus Live app. Download the Focus Live app from the App Store. This app allows you to shoot videos with a bokeh effect and offers various editing tools to enhance your footage. Focus transitions. The mode allows for smooth focus transitions between subjects, adding a dynamic and professional touch to your videos. Composition. Use the grid feature to follow the rule of thirds, ensuring your subject is well placed within the frame. Edit your videos. Built-in editing tools. Use the built-in editing tools on your iPhone to trim, adjust exposure, and add filters to your videos. Third-party apps. Apps like iMovie, Adobe Premiere Rush, and LumaFusion offer advanced editing features for more professional results. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.